Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
What is the maximum number of emission lines when the excited electron of a hydrogen atom in n is equal to 6 drops to the ground state? Okay, so here we have to find the maximum number of emission lines. What is given? N value is given, right? Definitely electron on a higher shell will come back to the lower stationary shells, right? On doing so, what they will do? They will emit radiation. How many such emissions are possible if electron is now on the 6th shell or on the nth shell? Okay, I will give you a simple trick. This is the equation. Maximum number of emission lines possible if n value is given. So if n value is given, take n minus 1 value. So n is equal to 6. What is n minus 1 value? 5. Then take the next smaller number. Like that, you add up to 1. So what is that? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 emissions are possible. Understand? Now, if the question was how many emissions are possible when the excited electron of a hydrogen atom is n is equal to 5, then what do you have to do? Start from 4. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Understand, right? Here it is starting from 6. So, our calculation has to start from 5. N minus 1. If n is equal to 6, start from n minus 1, that is 5.